Sagar from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is eschew. E-S-C-H-E-W, eschew. The definition of eschew is refusing to use or participate. This word is derived from the French word eschewer. Eschew means deliberately avoiding something. An example of a sentence with the word eschew is, even though I love sweets, I have decided to eschew sugar because of the harm it does to my body. Some of the synonyms of eschew are shun, renounce, spurn, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.